Anushka. So today I want to take you all with me on an epic adventure all around Kazakhstan. I was waiting for this trip for so long and I could not keep calm, not even as we were on our way. Like all good adventures, I decided to have some quests and note it down our bucket list. With Air Astana service, I had enough zen time to do some thinking. Here is a full list of crazy, fun, out of my mind things to do in Kazakhstan. You're not ready. I think the jitters you have every time you land in a new place, it's just, addictive. If you're someone who travels a lot like me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Landing in Almaty was no different. But also because I was on a mission, so getting right into it, let's start with the first one. Okay, so you can definitely get dizzy just from the clean air here. Oh my god, this is so cool. The view from up here is insane. Shimbulak Ski Resort, it's not just for skiing. Even though it's tucked away in the awesome Tian Shan mountains, you can hop on that cable car any time of the year and get these insane views of the mountains and valleys. They have these traditional Kazakh instruments here and I'm obviously going to try them out because, well, we're in Kazakhstan, right? Listen to this sound, it is so beautiful. The locals here were genuinely so patient. I rate this experience a must try. Bucket list! On to bucket list item number 2. Alright guys, bucket list item number 2 is probably the most extra thing I've ever done. A ramp walk on the streets of Almaty.
Are you guys ready? Ready? Do just what you want.
I mean, let's turn the entire city into my runway. Did I have a wardrobe change too? Absolutely I did. I commit to my adventures. This gorgeous traditional Kazakh dress makes me feel like a literal princess. This is definitely not something you do every day, but that's what makes traveling so special, right? You get to be whoever you want to be. Next, bucket list number 3. I honestly cannot tell you how kind the people here are. You just have to experience it for yourself.
So the next bucket list is very special क्योंकि मैंने अपनी graduation ceremony miss कर दी थी, but I'm gonna graduate with them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Rakmir. Oh, krasno.
Now for the next adventure, bucket list number 4, ride the electric scooter across Almaty. The best way to explore a city is definitely on the wheels. Matlab, look at these amazing buildings, the parks, the people. Everything is so vibrant here. Plus, I got to stop at all these incredible spots that I would have definitely missed in a car. This is definitely going on my must-do list for every city that I visit.
So for my next bucket list, मैं ऐसा ऐसा कुछ करने की कोशिश करूंगी कि जो माइकल जैक्सन से इंस्पायर होकर डांस करे, जो स्ट्रीट परफॉर्मर है, मैं कुछ माइकल जैक्सन सर के स्टेप करने की कोशिश करूंगी, बट उनको भारत का भी डांस सिखाऊंगी, क्योंकि व्हाई नॉट।
This may have been the highlight of my entire trip because I didn't just do it once, multiple times. पहला tribute to the great Michael Jackson sir और उनके moves, थोड़ा सा भांगड़ा and of course जरा सा shake. जब vibe set हो जाए ना, तब languages don't matter. This is how you make the best of friends when you travel. Bucket list number 6, bring Kazakh back. This is the incredible Sharian Canyon. People even call it the Grand Canyon's little brother because of its cool rock formations and colorful layers. I'm collecting these beautiful stones as souvenirs. Each one tells a story of millions of years of history. Look at this. How could you not want to take it home? Bucket list number 7, bake bread with the locals.
We have with us Miss Janet, who is going to teach me how to make this.
देखो locals के साथ तो सब ही खाते हैं. What I really wanted to do was bake some bread with them. I love food and to be able to make the local naan, 10 out of 10 experience.
We have all different kind of shapes. I thought it's only circles, but now we have variety of shapes.
Just check out how fluffy and beautiful this looks. Trust me, just what I needed before the next item on the list. We are at the iconic Baiterek Tower and this place is breathtaking. What makes it more special is the tradition they have here. कहा जाता है that you place your hand on the golden handprint and सच्चे दिल से make a wish with the purest heart, तो सच हो जाता है.
मैं ये मानना चाहती हूँ कि मैं यहाँ कजाकिस्तान में वापस आऊँ, फिर से आऊँ मेरे परिवार के साथ, दोस्तों के साथ वापस आऊँ. That's my
And can you believe you don't even need a visa to visit here? And flying with Air Astana, that's just a cherry on top.
मुझे बहुत मजा आया है यहाँ कजाकिस्तान में, अलग अलग जगह देखी हैं. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एयर अस्ताना, जिन्होंने मेरा ख्याल रखा बहुत अच्छे से. तो आप भी आइए, 4 डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट्स हैं मुंबई टू कजाकिस्तान. प्लीज चूज ओनली एयर अस्ताना.
On to the next one, bucket list number 9.
So I have with me Janseya and Renat on a very special occasion. I'm actually very nervous because I've never done this before. I'm going to officiate their wedding with the positivity and love of the universe. And now I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Woo!
It's genuinely an honor. My heart was so full of love after this, you guys. Just hearts all around. Bucket list number 10, collab with the Kazakhstan influencers.
I have with me Arujan and Dimera, who are 12 and 15, and they were actually making a reel, and I was like, why can't I join you? And they were so nice. They're going to teach me one dance, and we're going to do it together, right? Yay! Let's do it!
And now to the final item on my bucket list, number 11, a boat ride through the city. I know this one is not that crazy, but on our last day with this trip, I just wanted to soak it all in. The wind, the lights of the city, just everything about this trip has been magical. Creating these memories that I just know will stay with me forever, and the people will inspire me for years to come. Every adventure gave me multiple experiences to hold on to find joy in the unexpected. All my love to Kazakhstan.